Bonjour. So this part of the video is part of the homework. If you're still just not getting how to conjugate an ER verb, go back and watch the video that is a little more step by step. This is just a quick, like, hey, let's make sure. Okay, so what is the stem of? So take a moment, and yeah, there's a lot of talking to yourself in this video, like always. So go ahead. What is the stem of jouer? What do you have to cut off? There you go. Cut off that ER. How about parler? The ER. How about habiter? Okay, so hopefully you cut off the ER on all of them. And then your job, figure out what do you add to conjugate an ER verb. And feel free, especially if you're at home, to sing to yourself. E-E-S, E-O-N-S, E-Z-E-N-T. So part of this video is just making sure you're saying things correctly, because if you're saying them wrong, you're not saying what you think you're saying. Oui, so répétez. Je joue, tu joues, il joue, elle joue, nous jouons, vous jouez, il... Okay, before I tell you, you tell me. Remember, this is going to all be silent, so how do you say this? No, but actually out loud. Il joue, elle joue. So all of these sound exactly the same. So maintenant, pratiquez. So your job, before I say it, you go ahead and say it. Okay, so try this one. Nous parlons. Out loud. Je danse. Okay, now remember all those silent letters, so say it again to yourself. Il regarde. Elle regarde. So I'm giving that moment for you to actually talk. Vous chantez. Tu téléphones. So this S, you don't actually say. Think of this being silent. Elle parle. Il regarde. Elle parle. Okay, so again, this was short and sweet, just making sure you're saying things correctly. So it says mot de passe à la page 72. So the mot de passe is just voilà. V-O-I-L-A, accent grave. Oui, and then it says un, deux, trois. So your job is just to write down what you hear. Now you got to think of all the rules that you know, right? So numéro un, ils invitent. Ils invitent. Ils invitent. Numéro 2, j'écoute. J'écoute. Et numéro 3, vous étudiez. Vous étudiez. Okay, merci. Hopefully we do as well in our next quiz as we did on this one. Okay, au revoir.